a former professor at Southwestern Baptist Theological Seminary, pleaded guilty to lying to the FBI and creating false documents in a sexual abuse investigation. Matt Queen, pastor of Friendly Avenue Baptist Church in Greensboro, pleaded not guilty to obstruction of justice for actions as a professor at Southwestern, a Southern Baptist school in Texas. As part of an investigation into the SBC, officials are looking into alleged sexual abuse at the seminary in 2022. School officials must turn over abuse-related documents to the Department of Justice. An unnamed seminary official, Employee 2, allegedly ordered a report on the 2022 abuse case, detailing the seminary's knowledge of the abuse, be destroyed. According to federal officials, Queen heard Employee 2 order Employee 1 to destroy the report and allegedly lied about it. Queen's story changed under oath. On June 21, 2023, Matthew Queen testified under oath. He heard Employee 2 instruct Employee 1 to make the document go away, according to a court filing. The U.S. Attorney charged Queen with falsification of records and providing false information. Queen changed his plea as part of an arrangement with federal officials. I understand that if my plea is accepted, my sentencing will take place before the United States District Judge, Queen said in a court filing. A trial had been scheduled for November. Queen could face up to 5 years in prison, but will likely face a lesser sentence. Queen's attorney did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Sentencing is currently set for February. Since 2022, the Department of Justice has been investigating the SBC and its entities in response to the Guidepost report that year, which found SBC had long mistreated abuse survivors and downplayed the issue of abuse. Few details about the investigation have been made public. SBC admitted the investigation has led to a fiscal crisis for the SBC's Nashville-based executive committee. That committee recently announced plans to put its office building on the market. The identity of the seminary official who ordered the report destroyed has not been made public. However, Terry Stovall, the seminary's Dean of Women, wrote the initial report on the 2022 abuse case. Stovall refused to destroy the report. I am grateful for the diligence of the Office of the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York for holding Queen accountable, Stovall said in a statement. My hope is that the full truth and extent of his actions will one day come to light. Southwestern officials said they will continue to cooperate with the DOJ investigation. We pray for victims of sexual abuse. Southwestern Seminary remains committed to protecting all members from abuse and harassment. Our prayers continue for Matt Queen and his family. Queen was placed on leave by Friendly Avenue Baptist Church, and church leaders are working on a response to his guilty plea. We stand firmly against any behavior that undermines trust and integrity. Church leadership is reviewing these developments to submit a recommendation to the church membership concerning Dr. Queen's status and relationship with the church. For more Christian news, subscribe to our newsletter.